Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series.
Question. Sorry. So how many control plane nodes are available? We have one control plane, two workers. What's the server sider? Let's check that. Cat etc Kubernetes manifest kube API server.yaml grep IP range. Now we have it. Which suffix will be used? Okay, now I got that. Find CNI. It's not showing. Find etc CNI CNI. Okay, now I have it. For the weave, exit vi. I got it. This in this format. Better to like this. How many worker? One. How many worker nodes? Two. What's the service header range? Let's see. 1096.00.12. For which networking is configured? That is weave. And where is that file? This is the file. Config with which suffix will add? Hyphen cluster hyphen node 1.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.